Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the AirTag model and getting a fresh CR2032 battery. This matters because contact orientation is specific. Once done, clear a flat surface and remove any keyring or holder so you can grip the case properly. Make sure your hands are clean to avoid contaminating contacts. Hold the stainless steel back facing you. Place a small cloth under the device to prevent slips. Now position your fingers for the next step. You're ready to open the back cover safely and precisely. Press firmly down on the stainless steel back with 2 thumbs. You need steady pressure so the internals don't shift. Then twist counterclockwise roughly 30 to 45 degrees until you feel or hear a click. This releases the locking tabs. Once unlocked, lift the cover straight off to avoid bending the spring contact. Take a close look at how the CR2032 sits. Positive side up is typical. Make sure you note the contact spring and plastic spacer locations before removing the old battery. Place the new CR2032 into the cavity positive side up, making sure the spring contact touches the battery edge for a reliable connection. Once seated, reattach the stainless back by aligning the tabs, then press down and twist clockwise until it locks securely. After reassembly, wake the AirTag by bringing it near your phone and open the Find My app to confirm connection and battery level. If the tag doesn't connect, try reseating the battery and cleaning contacts with a dry cloth. That usually fixes contact issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.